How to find the right pathology test for your patient. On the home page of the RCPA Manual app, click on Pathology Tests. Pathology tests are listed alphabetically. Scroll down to the alphabet list and click on the letter that corresponds to the test you are looking for. Click on the test you want. The table for each test will provide information on specimen collection protocols, reference intervals where applicable, application and interpretation. You will also find information about whether the test is funded under Medicare. To find a pathology test, you can also use the search function at the top of the page to find the test you are looking for. Download the RCPA Manual app through your mobile app store.